Hello everyone, my name is Harmik Makese and welcome to Network Tech Academy. In today's lab, we are going to learn how to configure a web server and DNS server using Cisco Packet Tracer. This practical session is very important for students preparing for networking certifications like CCNA, because it helps you to understand how real-world network hosts websites and resolve domain names. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to configure IP addressing, set up a DNS server, configuring a web server, HTTP service, and accessing a website using a domain name. Okay, this is our topology. Now let us start with the configuration. First, we're gonna go to configure the router. Let us start the configuration. Now, enable conft, then interface G000 IP address 192.168.1.1. Zero, no shutdown. This is the first configuration. The first configuration is done to the router. Then now we're gonna move to the web server. We are going to configure the web server. The first things to do before to configure the web server, first we have to assign the IP address to the server. The IP address of the server is 192.168.1.2. Let us copy the address, then go to the default, and we have also to assign the DNS server. The DNS server, as I told you, we're gonna do the configuration of the web server and the DNS server. The DNS server address, IP address is 192.168.1.3. Let me configure the DNS server. .3. Yeah, it is finished. The second things we have to configure here is to go to the service and to go to the HTTP. As I told you, we're gonna do the configuration of the web server. This one does need to have an importance for us. Let me delete it. You can also leave it, but me, I prefer to delete it. I need only one. And let me go to edit. This is the HTML code, but if you have your own code, you can also paste it. But what I have to do here is just to alter this. Okay, let me replace it by network tags, and welcome to, let me put it, welcome to CCNA. Welcome to CCNA, and which one again I have to modify is we can put it like payment. Okay, let us just leave it like this. Now we're gonna save it. Yeah, it is done. Now we have to move to the second server. The second server is the DNS server. In the DNS server, the first things to do is to assign the IP address. Same with the web server. The IP address is 1.1.3. Then the default IP address is 1.1. Let me close it. Now we have to go to the services. Let us go to the DNS. Yeah, it is on. The website that we're gonna use is networktext.com. Then the IP address here, we're gonna give the IP address of the web server. The IP address of the web server is 192.168.1.2. Then add. Let me verify again. We already edited. Yeah. Now the last thing to do is to go to the PC. Now we have to give the IP address to the PC. The IP address of the PC gonna be 192.168.1.10. Now let us move to the default address .1. Okay, now we will try to ping the server. Let us first start by the web server. It works. Now let us try to ping the DNS server. It works too. Now what we have to do is that we're gonna go to the web browser and try to access the website through the web browser. Let us first try with the IP address .1. This is the DNS server. It doesn't work. Let me try with the website networktext.com. The host name unresolved. Yeah, there is one problem here. The host name unresolved because we did need to provide the DNS address to the DNS server address to the PC. That's why we are not able to connect to the website. We can communicate with the ping because we use the same network, but the problem is we cannot access to the website because of the DNS IP address. But now let me assign the DNS address. It is 192.168.1.3. Now let me go to the web browser. Let me try with the IP with the website networktext.com. Okay, it works. This is our website. If you remember again, in the web server, we've tried to modify the website, and we give the name network text. No, there is no network text, and we save it. Okay, yeah, this is our lab. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you.